We're back in action. Day one, Brainerd International Raceway. What do we got? Streetcar Showdown today? Is that the event's car?
Yep, Streetcar Showdown. So
this day one, we got Agent Orange here, and then we got Babe the Blue Fox right over there. Welcome back, y'all. We're back at Brainerd. This car running 660. I'm running limited street 660. Both kind of making test passes, see what the cars do. What's the plan?
We might have a special video content feature.
Oh yeah, we got Otto here. Otto from Happy Gilmore. Yeah, so we got today is Friday. Today's just eliminations, or no, just qualifying. Yep. Tomorrow's just qualifying as well, and then Sunday eliminations. So
yeah, it should be fun. Hopefully everyone stays safe, the cars stay together. We get faster with every run. We're just getting more seat time mostly this weekend, but never know what can happen on a weekend of racing. So, and
our filmer's gone this weekend,
yeah,
so we'll be struggling. We'll be struggling to get footage. So
yep,
we'll see what we can do. We got GoPros in both cars. Try our best to get it done.
Yep, second gen, we back, baby.
'Start. Staging lanes, first pass. Cole's right in front of me. He's gonna make a pass. Hopefully we get some video of that, but no guarantees. Mainly just a pass to see if we can get it down. Don't really know what it's gonna have. It kind of just has a main tune in it, so see if we can shake her down, make a good lick, and then get back to the pits and make some adjustments. But Cole's right in front of me. Hopefully they get some footage of that.
.558 at 128.2. All right, I think I saw 558 on the board. That's a new PB if it was. I didn't look though. It's just off the peripheral. Everything felt really smooth though. Clean run. I can feel the difference with the slicks on it though too. That was awesome. I just saw CJ pull off. I didn't see what he ran or anything. At 129.9.
Holy smokes! I just went a 550 off the trailer. Oh my god. The thing just hooked and went, bro. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that at all. Holy smokes. I think I just broke the rules. Oh my god. I think my fastest I can go is a 559. Or no, I think a 539. I think I'm good. I think a 539 is good. That's a personal best. Like I said, I was not expecting that. First pass. With new injectors, whole new suspension up front. Holy smokes, I did a crappy burnout and the thing's still freaking hooked. But Cole made, looks like a decent pass as well. Hopefully we got some footage of that. We're short a camera person this weekend, so can't guarantee everything for you guys, but that was a great first lick. So I got the time slip here. Went at 134 to the 60. Not a great 60 foot, but we still have that huge pulley on it. We'll get that 60 figured out. 550 to the 8th, 550 with the 4 at 129.9, so almost 130 in the 8th mile. So great mile an hour. Thing went dead straight, so my start's good to a 535, I believe. That's what we're most worried about, is staying within that range, because you get one warning and then you're kicked out at this track. So just gotta stay below that 535 mark, but for first pass off the trailer like that, I mean, you can't ask for much more. Brian put a tune in it last night with the new injectors. We have a whole new front suspension, double adjustables in the front. I was super excited with that. So we're gonna head back here. Hopefully someone got some footage of both of our passes. Me and Cole obviously both running our cars this weekend. We're working on that, but with those results, I mean, make some minor changes. See what we can do next pass. Same plan as always, getting it down straight A to B. Wow, that was awesome. Well, here we are pushing up to the lanes for round number 2. We got, well, it's not round number 2, test pass number 2. Put a different tune-up in it, added some timing, I believe. Put more RPMs on the two-step. We need to get that 60 foot figured out. So, yeah. Ready, big shooter?
Yeah, I think so. Have to be.
Put a little bit more in it?
Yeah, a little bit on that first run. It was just, you know, lazy, and it should probably, I would guess, make
What's it gonna go?
10. 539.
539 is predicament. So we're both gonna make our second pass here. So,
heck yeah, baby.
see you guys on the track.
539 at 133.5.
Well, I'm almost positive it went at 39, right on the money. What's it gonna go?
10. 539.
539 is predicament. So
A few minutes later.
539 at 133.5.
but I tell you what, I can start feeling the boost now. I can tell it was skating a little bit on the top end. What did it go, 2/10 faster there? I mean, it felt fast. And it only went at 539. I mean, that's moving, but don't get me wrong, that felt fast. It felt a lot faster than that first run. That's the beauty of racing though. Maybe just mess with the tune-up here a little bit, see what happens, but we'll probably leave the same boost curve and everything else in it, because that was fun. That was a joyride right there. I'm planning on doing a better burnout. It'd be great to get maybe a 40 out of it. Don't want to go too fast though, because I am limited on how fast I can go out of my cage cert, so see what she does.
128.
Thing spun a little bit. Only went at 56. Might have been too much on the launch. We only added 100 RPMs off the two-step. I don't know, man. We'll have to go back, look at the data log, see what you did. I got Cole right in front of me right now. Not a great pass. I didn't expect it to spin there. Kind of a weird scenario up there. I was did my burnout, obviously a better burnout that time. And then the car died on me, so I had to turn it back on. And I forgot to put my window net up. Went a 135 to the 60, so I thought it spun. My dad said from the outside, didn't look, he wasn't sure what happened, but it felt like in the car that it spun off the line. But then I went a 556 out the back door, 128. So obviously a little off there versus the tuning adjustments that we made. Should have went faster, but like I said, I think it spun right off the hit. I felt in the car that it did. So go back, look it over, make some improvements, hopefully. Just getting started with this car, so the track might have not been good either, but kept the same tire pressure, same everything, just wasn't what we were hoping for. But that's part of racing. We got our last pass, we get 3 a day. Tomorrow's qualifying as well, so here we go. Last pass of the day, third pass of the day for me and Cole. We get 3 a day, as I said earlier. Took 100 RPM out of the hit again off the two-step. Did spin last round, not hard, but get a lot of time in between passes at this track. There's a lot of classes. It's a series race that we run here at Brainerd, so there's a lot of classes. Feel free, if you guys made it to this point in the video, drop a comment on what you guys like seeing in between rounds. Definitely get more footage of that, just so you guys can have a more entertaining watch, but don't want to show too much unnecessary stuff to the point where you guys are just skipping to the racing. So we've been trying to keep it more racing based, but obviously gonna have some content there. Beautiful day out here at Brainerd. Should go pretty similar to what it went to the first pass if it gets down. Last pass was a 556, first pass was a 550. It's got a little hotter out. And then move on tomorrow. Tomorrow is another qualifying day, another day of testing. And then the day after that is going to be eliminations. Hopefully all goes well. See you guys in the burnout box.
At 135.8. At 128.7.
I think it's spun again, unfortunately. Once it gets into that boost, it's on like Donkey Kong. I definitely felt the same thing that I felt last pass, unfortunately, but you know, it's part of testing, working out all the flukes. The track isn't too good, so we took a little bit out of the launch, and it still went a 561. Hey, Cole's in front of me again. Beep beep. But that'll wrap it up for today. I'll see how Cole did. But what a day, man. First race of the season out with this car. I mean, We haven't made much passes with this car in general, so. But this is the end of it. Thank you guys for watching. Day 2 will be tomorrow. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. See you on the next episode.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.